Today we are working on the mudroom. We are working on painting and shiplap and getting more of a progressive move on things so that I can move in. Now, if you're just joining us, my name is Jess, my husband's name is Joe, and we're in the process of building an off-grid homestead. So off-grid, what does that mean? That means that we have no electricity, we have no running water from any of the public amenities. So we use solar and we haul our own water in, and we are working on getting our animal husbandry under our belts. So if you're just joining us, we're so glad you're here. You're watching American Roots.
We got one of our 2 snowstorms this winter, and so we decided to take advantage of this. We started by sanding and mudding the walls. We also added a layer of kills to all the drywall, and that allowed for the paint to stick a little better. Joe is making sure that all the windowsills are level so that when he goes to add all the styles and the framework, it all fits really well. During this time, there was a list of things I want to get done. I always like to make to-do lists because that really helps me stay on track. And you also can see when you've checked things off the list exactly what you've accomplished. So I started out with a list of things that I wanted to get done, one of which was all of the shiplap, painting, all of that.
This mudroom was a 2025 goal. We wanted to get this done because last year we had such a hard time with snow in the house. And then this year we didn't even really have snow. We've had maybe 2 snowstorms, which has been a blessing. I'm not complaining. As somebody from Arizona, the snow is something that takes a second to get used to. So when I buy paint, I try to buy paint off of the Oops paint section in Home Depot because it's like $5 and $10 for paint. And so I try to find colors that really work well for me. Our friend Tag got us that green paint we did one of the chicken coops with. So we painted chicken coops for $10. When you paint everything and you do it often, you want to do it as reasonably as possible. And I would say I've gotten some pretty nice paint for $10, like good quality paint. The trouble you run into is when you like the color and you like the paint and then you go back to buy it and it's uber expensive. So we're covering all of this with shiplap. What I'm trying to do is get it to a point where the shiplap can butt up right to it and I don't have to cut any other color in. All right, the painting is done. We have all 4 walls painted gray. Now it's time to start the shiplap. This is where the fun starts. It's so fun. So he makes quick work of it, and that light switch looks fantastic. So now we're just gonna finish these last little pieces, and then we can move to this other side, which is the front wall. And this is really gonna tie this room in nice and make it look really, really good. He's gonna trim all the way around, trim the windows, put the slats in the front. We'll put shiplap here, hang my coat rack up. And we haven't even got to building cubbies yet.
Well, some sing like nightingales and some sing like crows, and the ones that tend to drown me out what everyone loves the most. Those old sufferings walls echo heavy in this light. As a slow row of black cars ride through my mind, to hear that memory in a line. You're just everyone's favorite song of mine. Falling back into a past, you tattoo objects, trees, and rooms. All my thoughts are just as fleeting as the phases we flew through. And anything that's broken seems working when it's fine. Inhale a fix of love between the rough holds you high. It still hurts and it's not right. And you're just everyone's favorite song of mine. It's in my blood, within my veins, and I can't shake it. It's where we'd sleep, it's on those streets until they're waiting.
Right. Hey, you need me to help you out of here again?
It's in my blood, within my veins, and I